This one's gonna be a doozy. What's going on, everybody? It is Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and yes, we are going to be reviewing the Hivemapper. I've been excited for a company that offers mining just from driving your car. We're going to talk about why. In this review, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about why this is revolutionary and why I'm excited about this company for the future. And I'm excited to be the first content creator to offer a discount code for the Hivemapper. Yes, that's right. Just by using my link, you will get 10% off your Hivemapper. It is pre-order right now, but as we've seen in the past, it's probably better to get these while you can get your hands on them sooner than later. Rewards are usually bigger in the beginning than later on. And then of course, we're gonna talk about what this means for the future and why I'm excited about this company and what it means not just for us and for the Hivemapper, but also for all companies that use mapping data. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that because I have lots of great content coming out. I often do exclusive reviews of new mining technology and crypto and tech and investing platforms and all of the like. Make sure you turn the notification bell on, and that way you'll get notified anytime I come out with a new video on any of those topics. And of course, if you haven't smashed the like button, make sure you do that for the YouTube algorithm. Just tap it until it turns blue, and let's get to the content. So first things first, we're going to talk about why the Hivemapper is going to be so revolutionary. Some of you may not know this, but a few years ago, I actually worked for a self-driving car startup. And so mapping is a huge part of that technology. It's actually a huge part of the entire transportation industry. We'll go into that in a little bit of detail later on. But that's one reason I'm so excited about this is because I have experience in the industry and I know how valuable mapping data is. And so essentially what the Hivemapper is, it's a dash cam that allows you to earn money from the mapping data that you provide to Hivemapper. A lot of you have seen the Google car. Basically, if you ever use Google Maps, you do the street view, anything like that, all of that data is provided by the work that these cars do. Basically, they drive around and they gather this mapping data so that we can have accurate maps. When we do GPS, they sell it to companies, I'm sure, lots of different things. Just the Google Maps API alone brings in $0.8 billion per year. And this article is all the way back from 2019. So that information has become a lot more valuable over the time. According to Camille's valuation of Google Maps is $3.5 per active user. And so he says Google Maps is actually a $3.5 billion revenue estimate. And that's just Google. That's not including the other companies that are doing it like Waze or Apple. When we really dive into what Hivemapper is going to be doing, they are solving a ton of problems. They're going to offer their map API. Now, of course, I'm sure they're going to charge for this, but we're going to talk about why what they're doing is changing the setting for this technology. Now, of course, providers like you and me, when we put this in our car and we use it actively, we're going to earn rewards. We're going to earn cryptocurrency. Honey. There's going to be a contributor app. There's a dashboard that we'll talk about. There's a coverage map, and it's an open dash cam, which essentially, I believe that means you'll be able to get the videos if you get in a car crash or anything like that. Not positive about that. We'll dive into that more once I have my hands on the actual miner. And yeah, we'll go from there. Some of the important things, like I said, you'll be able to use the map that is generated from this data. You can see here the map image API, boom. That's gonna be more for, technical contributors and things like that. One reason this map will be better, Hivemapper doesn't need to hire cars to drive around. Hivemapper is going to have over 80% of the map being 90 days fresh or less. And that's a good thing is because when a map tile is over 90 days, people pay less for that data. The street level imagery is going to be 4K or better, and it's cost effective compared to alternative solutions, and the orders are magnitudes more cost effective. There are a lot of use cases for this as well. Like it says here, logistics, insurance, local governments, and social media. So businesses and organizations can use the map and the images for the API. And there's just really a broad range of use cases for this. And of course, the pricing is going to be much more cost effective. These prices are great for data that's 90 days or fresher. And then older than 90 days, it's pretty much free. So businesses looking for mapping data, this is going to be extremely valuable for you. The one problem that it does not solve, though, is that you have not smashed the like button yet for the YouTube algorithm. Also, I've been told that smashing the like button really contributes to the future. It really does help, and it goes a long way for the YouTube algorithm. So it's appreciated when you do that. Okay, so how do you get a Hivemapper? The first thing you'll do is you need to order the Dashcam. Like I said before, they are looking to ship within the summer of 2022. Simple after that, you install the forward-facing Dashcam, which is cool because the proper installation is only going to take about 30 minutes to do. After that, you connect the Dashcam to the app. You can download via the iOS App Store, or you can also get it on Android. And then you just drive. The more you drive, the more you map, the more honey you'll mine. And from there, you just see the map grow. Obviously, there isn't any coverage right now, but you can actually go and see the map right here. And that's about it. After that, you'll be mining honey. Pretty cool. Now, of course, if you want to get your own, like I said, I do have an affiliate link down in the description. All you have to do is go and add it to your cart. The link should automatically have it, but if it doesn't, all you need to do is when you go to checkout, you just type in the code C3D and apply it, and you will get 10% off of your Hivemapper. Now, the other really important thing that I wanted to mention is that this creates decentralized mapping data. Now, why is decentralizing it so important? What I mean when I say decentralized and why that's beneficial to all of us is because Hivemapper wins because they get to build their company. We win because we get to earn honey. We get to earn cryptocurrency from helping build this network, the mapping data, and helping build Hivemapper. And the businesses, the companies, the people who use the mapping API, whether it's logistics or insurance or local governments, they get to benefit because it's going to be cheaper and better than these bigger companies, these monopolies that are earning $3.5 billion annually from their mapping data. So it's pretty remarkable. And that's really why I believe that this is going to be a company that really runs the mapping industry in the future. So there you have it. That is my review of the Hivemapper. Now, of course, if you want to get your very own, like I said, you can use my link down in the description. You'll get 10% off. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission at no cost to you. Actually, you do get that 10% discount. This is an exclusive discount, and these miners tend to go out of stock pretty quickly. We've seen it. You jump in earlier, you get better rewards. I suggest jumping on it sooner rather than later. Of course, not financial advice. Other than that, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that. I have tons more content coming out, exclusive reviews of miners, crypto, tech, and investing platforms, and all of the like. Make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And the last thing, but not the least thing, I want you all to understand how grateful I am for you. All of the likes, the comments, watching the videos to the end, the support, the love. You are the reason that I get to do what I do. And so from the bottom of my heart, I'm genuinely appreciative, and I just can't thank you enough. So with all that out of the way, my name's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and we'll catch you next time.